Is this just a tariff or a Trump tactic? In a dramatic move, US President Donald Trump on Wednesday announced a 25% tariff on Indian exports starting 1st August. He cited high Indian duties, non-monetary trade barriers and New Delhi's defense and energy ties with Russia. He also announced an unspecified penalty on top, a move widely seen as a pressure tactic ahead of the expected India-US trade agreement. India's export community calls the move disappointing but not irreversible. They remain hopeful that the upcoming bilateral trade agreement will ease tensions and bring down duties.
25% tariff on India is little disappointing on us. We are constructively engaged with the US on the BTA. We are also not certain what will be the added penalty which he is talking about.
One of the hardest hit sectors is expected to be India's labour-intensive gems and jewellery industry. A prior 10% tariff had already led to nearly 50,000 job losses. And now, fear looms large that the toll could double under the new 25% rate.
अगर ये 1 अगस्त के बाद सेम परिस्थिति आती है तो शायद 1 लाख से ज़्यादा लोगों को इफेक्ट करेगा और शायद ये इफेक्ट ज्वेलरी इंडस्ट्री के लिए बहुत ही दुखद होगा.
Beyond jewellery, a host of sectors stand at a risk, from pharmaceuticals and textiles to electronics and oil refining. But some experts see this as a strategic moment for India's MSMEs to step up and adapt.
Momentarily, there will be impact on our MSMEs, but we see this as an opportunity also. This is the time that India, scales it up. We need to be more competitive.
India's trade leaders are also calling for a serious pivot, urging the country to diversify export markets and reduce reliance on the US tourism, and services may also face ripple effects as demand softens.
India will have to diversify its export markets because right now we are dependent quite a lot on America, and we will have to relook at certain Asian markets and also some of the European markets.
Analysts see the tariff as part of a wider US realignment, a pressure tactic rather than a permanent stand. Negotiations are likely, and India is expected to push for revised terms.
पहले तो ये हम समझ लें कि ये नेगोशिएशन जो है ख़त्म नहीं हुए हैं. ये कॉमा लगा है, पॉज लगा है. ट्रम्प की स्टाइल है प्रेशर डालने की. इस तरह से वो प्रेशर डालना चाहते हैं.
From factory floors to foreign ministries, India is now recalibrating its global trade game. While the 25% tariff is a setback, it is widely seen as a pressure tactic, not the end of the road. Negotiations between India and America are still very much on, and the final deal may look very different. As they say in Bollywood, picture abhi baki hai mere dost. Bureau Report, Business Today Television.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.